Let's talk about character point of view. Side note, my throat is still sounding really funny. Sorry, it gets a little better and then it gets worse and it gets a little better. So please just bear with me as we go through this lesson. Character point of view is the person who is speaking, the person telling the story. If we were talking about first person point of view, the narrator would be in the story. We would hear keywords such as I, me, we, or us, because us and we also includes me. What I like to say is, excuse me, what I like to say is I come first. So when I'm talking about first person point of view and I see I automatically know I come first. I is first person. An example is I was nervous for my first day of school because I didn't know anyone yet. Third person narrator, third person point of view is a person outside of the story. So think about if you're watching someone, if you're looking at something happening and you start telling another person about it. You weren't involved in that situation, but you're telling your friend about it. So you are the third person narrator. The pronouns that we would hear are he, she, them, they, or the names of the other people. For example, Sammy was nervous for his first day of school because he didn't know anyone yet. So on this slide, we are going to sort through the point of view. So our first box here reads, the next day the big duckling was picked on again. The ducks ripped at him, the geese honked angrily, the chickens pecked his feet. And so it was every day until he couldn't take it anymore. He decided to run away. Oh, that's sad. So we are going to look at those key pronouns, those key words to identify is it first person or is it third person narrator. I noticed that they're saying the name Big Duckling. They're using the pronoun he, his, and then we have the pronoun he again. Nowhere in here did I see I, me, we, or us. So I know that I'm not a part of this. I'm not involved. So it is third person narrator. So you would drag this box over to this third person column. Let's look at another example. I took my seat in the lunchroom next to Ryan and Michael. Ryan took two of my carrot sticks in his nose. Ew. And so I told him I'd give him a nickel if he ate them. Gross. He did too. He did too. Me, I wouldn't even eat carrot sticks before you stick them in your nose. So I noticed that we have the pronouns I and my. I come first, so I know that is first person narrator. So you would drag this box to the first person column. So on this next slide, you are going to continue sorting through these different boxes. Don't forget to move the two that we have already gone over. And then we will proceed in the next video.